Add this to your geraniums, and they'll reward you with a sea of lush green leaves and masses of beautiful flowers. If you've noticed that the leaves are turning pale yellow or almost white, while the veins remain a deep green, it may be a sign that your plant is lacking iron. This condition is called chlorosis and often occurs when geraniums are unable to absorb nutrients properly from the soil. The first solution is incredibly simple. The problem is often not a lack of iron in the soil itself, but rather the plant's inability to take it up. One common culprit is hard tap water, which raises the soil's pH and blocks access to many essential minerals. Prepare about 2 cups of settled or filtered water and add 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. Mix thoroughly and water your geraniums with the solution. The mildly acidic mixture helps lower the soil pH, making it easier for the roots to absorb valuable nutrients. However, if the soil is already severely depleted, it's worth preparing a natural iron-rich fertilizer. Take an ordinary jar and place a few heavily rusted nails, old screws, or a piece of steel wool inside. Add 1 level teaspoon of citric acid, then fill the jar with water and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. After some time, you'll notice the water turning a yellowish-brown color. This is a sign that an easily absorbable iron solution is forming. Strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a fine sieve to remove any small metal particles, then use it to water your geraniums. Regular use of these simple methods can help the leaves regain their rich green color, while encouraging the plant to produce plenty of new buds and beautiful blooms once again. Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums. I'll share the secret of an eco-friendly fertilizer that will make your geraniums bend under the weight of their blooms. Geraniums need the right fertilizer to grow healthy and flower beautifully, so make it now. Take 1 banana, peel it, cut it into smaller pieces, and place it in a jar. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support plant growth. Add about 0.35 ounces of fresh yeast to a bowl. Yeast is an excellent source of minerals and enzymes, helps speed up plant growth, and improves soil structure. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast, then pour in about 3 fluid ounces of warm water and mix until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into the jar with the banana and add about 1 quart of water so the ingredients combine. Leave the solution for a few days so the ingredients can blend well and ferment. Take a watering can, pour in some of the solution, add about 1 quart of water to dilute it, and water your geraniums with this fertilizer once a week. You will notice how quickly they grow, become stronger, and start blooming beautifully. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will help your plants thrive in a healthy and balanced environment. You won't believe how easy it is to keep geraniums blooming for months. Your balcony will be filled with vibrant colors and a beautiful fragrance that delights you every day. This is the secret behind my grandmother's stunning geraniums. If you want more of these plants, choose a healthy shoot that doesn't yet have any open flowers. Then cut off the tip. Prepare a small amount of honey, which helps retain moisture and is often used when rooting cuttings. Next, get some ground cinnamon, valued by many gardeners for its protective properties. First, dip the end of the shoot into the honey, then coat it thoroughly with cinnamon. This will give the cutting better conditions to start growing. Now place it into the soil and gently press the soil around the stem. Next, prepare some eggshells, which are a natural source of calcium that supports plant growth. Crush them thoroughly in your hands and place them into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which help enrich the soil and are often used in homemade fertilizers. Mix everything thoroughly. Now slowly add water while continuously stirring the ingredients. This will create a simple fertilizer for your geraniums. Water the new cutting with this mixture to help it root more quickly and begin growing. It's an easy way to propagate geraniums. In time, they will reward you with new shoots, lush growth, and plenty of colorful flowers. That's why my grandmother's balcony looked like a true wall of flowers every year. Dissolve in water and water your geraniums. They'll be covered in flowers like never before. Since I started using this fertilizer, my geraniums have been producing countless new buds and growing beautifully. Take some dry yeast from your kitchen cupboard. Put a teaspoon of yeast into a small bowl, then add a teaspoon of sugar. Pour in a little water and mix everything until the yeast dissolves. Yeast contains B vitamins, organic iron, amino acids, and trace elements, making it an excellent fertilizer for potted plants. Once the yeast is dissolved, pour the mixture into a bottle of water. Shake well to combine everything. Now, water your flowers with this mixture. You'll see how much they grow after using this fertilizer. Yeast works as a gentle organic fertilizer. It provides amino acids, proteins, and enzymes that support plant growth and health. Water your geraniums with this yeast solution every 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure to pour it around the base of the plants, avoiding the leaves, and enjoy beautiful flowers all summer long.